Hey guys, welcome to part 3 of the series. So yeah, this is recorded on the same day as part 2 because, well, I just want to get this done so I don't have to do it tomorrow. But yeah, so open up Unity Hub. I said! And then go to your game name. And then just wait for it to open. And then once it opens, go to Google. Go to the thing in the description. And I actually made this tool, so I'd appreciate if you guys used it. But on here, click download. It should take you to here, and then download the Unity package, and then go to File Explorer or Finder if you're on Mac, Downloads, and drag it into here, and then import all. And then once it's imported, go to the TagEngine folder, prefabs, tag manager, and then this should automatically set up for you. And then if you're wondering what this prefab is, basically this is licensed under the MIT license. So as you can see, it says the above copyright notice and this permission notice shall be included in all copies substitutional portions of the software. And basically what this means is that this is allowed anywhere. However, you do have to provide credits to the original author, which is me. So basically I created this. I'm sorry about that. It's just I don't want people claiming this as their own because it has like over 12,000 lines of code, I think. Yeah, it has 13,617 lines of code in total. So I just don't want people claiming it as their own because it did take me a while to make. So just drag it in the spawn location or something. Although in later tutorials I'll be doing an advanced computer, so I'll show you how to put in the credits in there. But then go to resources, Photon VR player, under head, create a 3D capsule, make it roughly the size of the player minus the player name text, disable its mesh renderer, set is trigger, and go to TagEngine scripts and add the tag hitbox, and for photon view just add it there. And then for tag sounds, I'm not going to be using any external sounds. I'm just going to be using the sample sounds, which are just the gorilla tag sounds. But under tag sounds is basically when you want, so how gorilla tag, basically whenever you tag someone it goes like this. Wait, hold on. And when the round ends it goes like this. So what tag sounds does is when you tag someone it will play the specified audio clip, and round end is just when the round ends. And then if you want to use tag freeze, click on that and put whatever, basically it's the name of whatever's under gorilla player, whatever you call this, which houses the main character, left hand controller and right hand controller. So go back to Photon VR player and then capsule, and then just set this to gorilla player. And then if you also want to use speed boost, do that and then set these values, so like jump multiplier, who false T limit 4, and that. And for untagged, I created a cool effect. So if you go to where is it, TagEngine, resources, materials, and select untagged, you can see the untagged players through walls. And yeah, for tag freeze time, just set that to like 1.5 or something. And yeah, and if your player model uses mesh renderers, so these things and not that. So yeah, if they use the skinned mesh renderer type, do click use skinned mesh renderers, but if they use regular mesh renderers, do use mesh renderers. Next, drag all the objects you want to be changed whenever you're tagged. So you just drag that, and then that, and then if you want it to log to a Discord webhook, so let me just find an example. Yeah, so if you want it to do like this, the round somebody tagged someone, then what you want to do is go to server settings, integrations, webhooks, new webhook. Do it in the channel you want, and then to save changes, copy webhook URL, and then click this and then paste it in there. And yeah, I was editing this, I just realized a mistake, which is I forgot like half the steps. So as an emergency backup, I'm gonna quickly go into the game right now in Unity. Okay, so these steps are crucial in order for it to work. So under left hand controller and right hand controller, create a 3D sphere, select both of them, set is triggered to true, put that at 0.07, and then add the tagger script from the TagEngine scripts. And for hitbox tag, just put it like tag hitbox, and then assets, resources, photon VR, player, under capsule, set the tag to tag hitbox, and that, and then that should be the whole thing. Hopefully, if I forget another thing it doesn't work, please just let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe, and see ya.